Welcome mga tropa. Sandro Mulak is live here at Barangay Kabu Fiesta Variety Show dito sa Cabanatuan City.
That's the day I met you. I forgot a while I left you. I was insane. Tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I'll never see you again. Oh, oh, I know it breaks your heart. Bittersweet, I broke your heart. 4 years no come, try to be in a hotel bar and die. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of the Rover. Then I know you can't afford like the tattoo of your shoulder. The streets right off the corner from the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Florida. We ain't never getting older. Masaya pa kayo lahat! Ayan, pwede po ba kipatay ng music? Okay lang po ba? Ayan, papakilala lang po kasi lahat. Ako po si Sandro Mulak from GMA Sparkle. Ayan, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, daddy ko po si Nino Mulak at tito ko po si Aga Mulak. Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat, Barangay Kabu. May isa na akong request. Gusto niyo po ba ng isa pa?
Yes!
Isa pa? Kaso mahina. Gusto niyo po ba ng isa pa? May isa na akong request. Meron bang single dyan?
Ito!
Meron bang single dyan? Yung single yung walang magagalit na boyfriend Single. Ito si ate. Play music please. Play music please. Sabihan niyo po ako kung alam niyo yung kanta. Pinapangarap ko ikaw.
Miss Sparkle. Mag-ingat po kayo lahat. Thank you po. Gusto ko na po pasalamatan si SK Prince K at sa kanyang ex-kapitana, mami na si Miss Emily Gray. Maraming salamat po sa pagkikitan sa... Thank you po sa ilan!
There you have it. Once again, palakpakan naman natin, partner.
Okay, palakpakan po natin. We have Mr. Sandro Mulak. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Nako, nagsitahimik na po yung lahat. Ayan, muli po, nagpapasalamat pa rin ang Rainstar Production. Maraming salamat po for inviting us here. Thank you so much. At kami po ang pinagkatiwalaan nyo ng production na makapunta po dito.